I wanted to show you how to make the charm bracelet. Here in your packet, you got the bracelet material, which is 2 strands of the rat tail, and the Tree of Life bead. If you attend at least one activity every day this week, you'll get all of the big charms. The little charms are for the second activity every day. And this one is the optional eagle eye charm for winning the scavenger hunt. When you go to put them on your bracelet, it's best to put them in order first so you know what order you're going to put them in. I've arranged them here kind of by size so they have a nice dangle. Then you will put them on both strings of the bracelet. All your beads on the string, you're going to tie it into a bracelet. To do that, you need to make sure each side is even here. And then you're going to tie knots basically around each side of the string, or slip knots. So you want to make a knot on this side, leaving it nice and open there. Make sure you get both sides of the string and stick it through. Pull it nicely and through there, and then close your knot. Okay, so then you should have one knot. You're going to repeat the process on the other side of the bracelet by looping this and making sure it's even, sticking that through the bracelet, up to the other side, looping it so that it looks like a fish around your bracelet, and then sticking your even ends back through that hole to create your second knot. Like that. Then you've got 2 ends and you have an adjustable bracelet. You can try it on and pull the knots until it fits just about right to your wrist. You can adjust it. Once you're all done, you trim the ends, and you want to add a little dot of crafting glue right into the knot. Pull it tight. Another dot of glue on the other side inside the knot. Pull it tight, and then let it sit until that crafting glue has dried, and that will seal the knot shut so it's just your size. There you have a pretty charm bracelet from camp.